there it is, my weapon of choice. Another fly on the wall. This time we're at the BSMA reunion. I'm at it again, only 2 weeks after last riding. I've only just recovered, and now we're ready to go. This is our little setup around here. Team Wales, ready to go. Roy wearing appropriate footwear and clothing for a crisp spring morning. I think this is Reg's weapon. I'm out first apparently, so gotta go and get ready. Wait, it's Steve McQueen. What are you doing? Huh? Right, gonna get kitted up. I'm in MX2 because that was the only group available, so I'm out there with some youngsters. I think it's Kieran Banks and a few others. So I'll probably get a good hiding, but I don't care. I haven't even got a transponder, so I'm not going for a result. Just going out there for a jolly. And fair play to Lee and his team. I'm sure it'll be another good event. Loads of riders here. Track's looking mint. So let's get it on. See you in a bit. Don't make me fucking stand. I've been trying to stand all race.
You got up there like
that was harder than the old triumph. The track's just so proper, isn't it? Modern bike or not, Jesus Christ. Right. See, I put some arm pump oil on. No matter which brand. Moto Verde. Relax the race. I'm still pumped up. Listen, I'm sure it works for a lot of people really well, but when you've had the amount of time off the bike that I've had, put it this way, it'll be a shitload worse if I didn't know. Look how tight my wristband is. That was slack. That was slack when I started. Oh man, those last 3 laps were. What was she doing with that flag? I wanted to pull over and punch her in the mouth. Honestly, I said that to you. 2 laps ago you'd be looking for that last lap flag. 2 laps! About 5 to go, Steve. I was waiting for it to come out. I thought it's 12 minutes, isn't it? That's the longest 12 minutes of my life.
I think you're on 15. That is 15 plus 1 to that. Might be.
Right, got my first motor out of the way. I survived. I'll tell you more about that in a minute. Let's go and see Lee Ashby, the man who puts all this on, and Kev Wheeler if they're up here. In their rather swanky, look at it. It's better than most flats that you can rent. You can hear him all day. See, look, let's get it right through there.
Wonder if you can hear me down there. Oh, hello, this is Harriet. Hello.
This is where it all happens. How's it going? See.
The man of the moment, Mr. Team Green.
That's what we got in here. Is there any notes in here?
Look at this.
Is there any bad language in here that's going to get you banned?
That's all the guys.
Is there any bad language in there that's going to get you banned?
I don't know, I'm already on Facebook. Look, got everyone loaded in 2 groups there.
Well, there you go.
Yeah, he's loaded in 2 groups. There's all the groups. Look, who's that guy?
Don't know. Tired man already. No,
It's looking good on it, mate.
Yeah?
It's
Alright.
I like your jumper in this
Yeah.
Mr. Perrin was hanging out on the stuff up here on the hill. Beautiful stuff. Don't forget to check out the Dirt Hub. This is the man with the van. Just the steel hole.
Looks good in it. Yeah, it's good, yeah.
We'll be at the old cusses.
Busy man. Yeah, we've got Supercross, yeah.
Can't wait for the Supercross at Cusses. Beautiful it is up there. That was
Yeah,
my
we've been
best
doing
day of the
that.
year last year, that was. I'm looking forward to that. Not a bad few right there.
No, it's good. Track's
See what I was a big excited about it. Holmes and Smith. Couple of Evo
Have you been out yet? Hey, have you been out? Yeah.
Holmes, he bangs it down the inside.
Novice.
Smith looks to cut back.
Yeah, what are you going with?
Oh, no, yeah,
Oh, he's going to swap him.
Novice.
17, Ryan Harris is in 3rd. He's had a bad knee, and he's already hanging out. Dave Anthony's rolling off the flap in the win. James Evans, James Smith, Glenn Bixby, Rain Smith. Oh, listen to these boys fight. Mr. Masters.
The trials and tribulations of running a race meeting.
Behind the scenes.
Hey, well, it's fly on the wall. This is the shit that people don't see.
Yeah.
Generators going down. I ain't got the strength to pull the can or pull the cord.
Generator's going down. Tom.
Sophie, come into the...
Right, go on then, go and do your thing.
Thanks, Jeff.
Come on.
Cheers, mate.
Right, they're back at it now. Right, not sure which race is coming up. I think we got the Evos or the Vets out next, or another class of the Vets. Let's go and check them out in the pit box anyway. Sun's out. It's good. Yeah, so my first race, I was out there in MX2, that's the only class I could get in. Kids were going like crazy, jumping everywhere on the first couple of laps. Didn't fancy that one bit. Yeah, they were just going absolutely everywhere. So I tried to stay out of trouble, then got going. Got no transponder, so I don't know where I finished. I think I was about 12. But yeah, I'm going to now take it easy. Got 2 more races hopefully. We've got to do the Legends lap as well. So it's a good day. They've done a really good job here at Culham. The track's really good. Let's go and check out what's happening over here. Good array of pit stands and stuff. But it's just good to see everybody having a good time. Let's go over and see the mad scientist over here. I call him Dr. Emmett Brown because he's always in his chemistry room creating mad shit. Right, Steve? I'm good. By mad shit, I'm talking about this. He is the mad chemist that comes up with all these things. Yeah. So, Steve, I'll just say right now. I used some of their arm pump this morning. I have to say it did work. Because I've hardly raced in 50 years, I need more. You need to make it stronger.
So what it is it isn't your output, because it's no fuel.
Yeah.
It holds you back for a period of time. So
Good.
what you need to do is preload the night before, in the morning, and then half an hour before each race.
The night before,
Yeah.
I need to be coated in the stuff all week.
That's but you can actually back with it. You put 6-7 squirts in
Oh, that's it.
It opens the pore, allows it in, right? And when you get out the back, the skin steps up on the joy, but trust me, your aches and pains are gone, but you're ready for bed.
Right, that's it. That's what I got to do because you're right. It worked the last couple of laps, and my arms were so pumped up, like my wristband went tight around my wrist. So this is good gear, it does work, but like you've just heard Steve say, need to get it on early. So I better go and put some on for the next race. Job you're doing there, getting filled in with shit.
You lie like a chip of your
It's all fun of the game, isn't it? Away they go. I think I might look at this, what I found on the floor. Shall I? The temptation to keep hold of that until my race is immense. But the thing is, I'm an honest chap, as Rob will testify.
No, I saw you get #1 game before and keep it from the last race.
To be fair, this next race I might just let everybody go anyway, because it was so mental the first few laps. How's it going then, Rob?
We're doing all right, thank you.
Right, look, you got a good trick pipe on, everything looks trick.
Yeah,
that's the main thing.
Apart from me.
We're not worried about performance.
Oh well, I'm glad you're not.
I'm not. No, it's all about look. It's all about the look. Proper bike that.
Oh, beautiful.
My era.
Right.
Yeah, used to race one of those bad boys.
Yeah.
Nice. Right, I better go and hand this in and do the honourable thing.
Oh, come on, give me coffee.
Go. No, I'm not going to do that. I'm not. Nice to see this still out here. Age memory lives on. This is actually his bike, isn't it?
Yes, yeah. We'll take.
Fair play. Yeah. Good old boy. Good on him. So, how was it? Did you go out for practice?
Yeah, it was good.
Good. So you made an effort and cleaned the bike and everything, isn't it?
Yeah. I don't plan on getting dirty.
Oh, yeah, I suppose presentation's key.
Yeah.
It's all about just having fun, though, isn't it?
Hey mate, we're all here to smile and reminisce and have fun, and that's the main reason why we got
Absolutely, yeah.
He even loves this like my
Absolutely, he would have. There you go, Age. Still thinking of you, pal. Good stuff. Well, stay safe out there.
I'll try my best.
Well, that's it. Just have fun. That's the main thing. See you later. Yeah. I want to check the contents of that mug.
Cold coffee.
Oh, it is coffee. Is it coffee or is it Irish coffee?
No, it's coffee.
Pre-race, post-race ciggy. How was that then, Mush?
Oh, that was so tough.
In it?
Lap 3, I was done.
I overtook her through and then I was in. I couldn't hold on, but she'll get stronger through the day.
You're looking better than like last year, but then you've been.
I had more riding.
What's your ankle now like? Because your ankle's absolutely ruined last year.
Knee is bad.
Is it?
Yeah. I got loads of painkillers in me.
Painkillers and coffee and cigarettes. What do you need? What you need? We're just too old for this shit. Especially to come back. Yeah, out with those all those kids in MX2, man. We're going everywhere those first couple laps.
You did
I did all right. Yeah, I did all right. Hanging at the end though, my arms.
And it is a sketch. You just can't hold on up them hills. And there's kickers on him. Jumps now. I just said to Russell, no, I'm glad I done it years ago. So I'm coming back.
No, totally right. Totally agree, Steve.
Yeah, but no, I enjoyed it, mate.
Yeah.
I got out the gate sharp, mate, and it just died within 10 feet.
Yeah.
It just lost all the power.
Just look the part though, the old Chesterfield stuff. Full factory. Right. That is what you need. Well, to be fair, Reg is still. What are you eating there, Reg? Yeah. But me and Reg have just had a little mini pasty, which Roy knocked up, which are mega. Now it's time for a dessert. This is what you have when you're an athlete, and you're knocking on a bit. I'm tempted to have a beer, Reg, to be honest.
Good idea. I'll join you.
Yeah. You got those ciders in the fridge. Right, better have one of these then. Baked by my lovely better half. Thanks for the cakes, darling, they're lush. Are these all mine?
I must admit, they're good fun. After doing this.
Right, anyway, I got to tuck in.
That was a little bit late, wasn't it? Mr. Holmes, we're here to make piles and we call that hot dogs today. We've got feedback, we've got the factory space, Mr. Hard on the right, his dad's picture over the top of that Stewie helmet. Big old down there. There's Mr. Holmes, the former BSMA champion, already winning the 125 Evo Super Evo this weekend. Horseman to Obiara, Holmesy.
Kicker on that jump up there.
Team Mewse, the legend, didn't come out to the last lap. Maybe Flatty only wanted to do one lap on the Castle Honda. He must have not very much fuel. Now many struggles just come out, they've all done one lap. Green Kawasaki.
Now I've got to get down to the line. Come out. Got my pit crew pushing the bike back. Where you go, Daisy? So that one, I pulled out of that one. The track has dried out so much. I went and crashed like an absolute donut on the Legends lap, and got my hand caught under the front brakes. I bent my wrist back. So not ideal, and I missed the start of that race anyway, so I just cruised around, but the track has changed so much, it's really naughty out there now. So I just bailed out on that one. Nothing to prove, nothing to worry about. Yeah, now I'm going to have a cold beer and a burger. Just to be honest, that's the real reason I'm here.
Number 6. Got Roy Wells there. Roy Wells, number 77 on the twin shot. Another superb rider in the 80s in the BSMA. It looks like Tommy Albo.
Finished what? 7th and 8th then, was it?
Woo!
That was good.
Survived. How was that then, fellas?
Oh, that crash was bad.
Good though. Crash?
Yeah, first lap crash.
Oh, I didn't see
It was
that.
a step down, went down hard. Both hands off, I was hitting the handlebars, and I had to catch Big Brother, didn't I? Oh, yes, I've done my
See,
brother.
they take some taming, don't they? Yeah, you're, hold on, you're on a 2. Oh, no, you're not. Yeah, you are.
Yeah.
Oh, you got it easy then. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I got it easy. I got it hard.
He needs to man up, don't he, really?
Better luck next time, then,
Ah.
Time you just come back into it.
Oh, good, yeah.
How's that, survived?
Oh, just about.
Yeah. Got a beer tent to get through. That's the hardest thing to get through. Is the beer, yeah, there's a legend right there. The riding's the easy bit. It's the beer tent. Surviving the beer tent. It is, yeah. All good? Yeah, it's a thoroughly good day out. There it is, the beer tent. That's where there'll be all kinds of jargon being spoken there. Proper bench racing. Arguably a huge dose of bullshit will be spoken in there later on, mostly by me. So it's the official turning on of the lights, fucking by our star guest.
No, we're going to charge you fucking
Oh, fucking hell, you Well, the lights aren't they? Got the mirror ball.
Oh, it was on last night.
Was it?
I had the big...
Oh, so the lights are going off to charge your phone, are they?
I had to make a phone call last night. Tell these lot to fucking wrap it in. I went to bed and they woke me up and they were getting carried away.
I've seen all the rules as well. You'll get in trouble. Right, so look, they're geared up for later on in the Welsh camp over here. That's what a reunion's all about, really. Yeah. What's the time at the minute? 3 o'clock.
5:10.
5:10. Well, the night's not even started, is it? I wouldn't say the night's even young. Right, pal, this is how I feel, look. What's that? You look as tired as I feel, mate. About the same height and all. It's basically how I look in the morning.